Magnificos, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Those who all are new on my channel, my name is Vipra Patil. I reside at Mumbai and I make videos related to beauty, fashion, lifestyle and now a little bit on travel as well. So welcome back on my channel. So I have achieved this makeup look. It's a soft glam festive look which I have created including few of the My Glam products. I'll link those products in the description box below, so if you want to check them out you can for the upcoming festive season, and if you want to see how I achieved this look, please keep on watching. So let's begin with some skincare for starters. I'm applying this Lit PH lip balm. This is in the shade Bite Me. It smells divine. Later I'm taking this mask sheet. This is from the Manish Malhotra range of My Glam, and the variant I have is Ginger and Tulsi Purifying Sheet Mask. Keeping this for approx 10 to 15 minutes. The sheet gets dry in middle and later there is still a liquid left on the edges. So what I do is I just squeeze it on my palm and take the left out and start massaging all over my face and neck area, giving the upward strokes. I'm also using my gua sha here so that it shall penetrate into the deepest layer of my skin as it boosts the blood circulation and reduces the puffiness. Now I have a fresh, glowy and nourished skin, so let's begin with some makeup. Applying this Becca Cosmetics Lightning Primer to get that dewy look. And then followed by my next favorite primer by PAC to cover up pores and even out the base. These next steps are the important ones. Going in with my correctors, you all know by this now, it's in my every tutorial that I use them, so I'm not going to talk much about it. Just to correct my dark circles and pigmentation and the acne marks, I'm going in with this corrector and then blending out with the concealer brush. Next, using concealer to even out the base and the needed coverage. This is from the same brand, LA Girl. The shade I'm using is Pure Beige. Later followed by the foundation from Givenchy. It's a long wear foundation. If you're following the right steps and using products that really works for your skin, trust me, you don't really require too much of foundation at the end. I just took one pump for all over my face and neck area. Adding little bit of NYX HD concealer to highlight the under eye areas and the high points of my face. Setting all my liquid and cream products with this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, dabbing it with the beauty blender and later just dusting it out. A little bit extra on the eyelids as mine tend to get little oily. Now coming to the eye makeup, I'm using the Color Brown Eye Kohl all over the lid to create that soft base. Today taking this Urban Decay Naked Palette 3, picking up a soft brown shade and applying it all over the crease. Blending it in the crease so that it creates a nice base for other shadows. Then picking up a dark brown shade and building it up on the outer corner and taking it towards the crease. I'm repeating the same steps on the other eye. Now picking up a rose pink shade and applying it on the inner half of the eye, blending it all these shades together in the crease so that there are no harsh edges left. I'm also smudging the dark brown shade on the lower lash line as well. Now coming to the star product of my eye makeup, that is this Lit Eye and Lip Sparkle from MyGlam. This is in the shade Queen. It's a gorgeous rosy shade. These are very fine particles. I'm using a damp brush to pick up this sparkle as there shall be less fallouts. I'm using a Color Bar water primer here and picking up this sparkle and dabbing it on the lid from the inner corner to the center of the lid. Finishing the eye look with curling the lashes and applying L'Oreal Paris mascara. Now I'm taking MyGlam Lid Brow and Definer pencil. This is in the shade Shook. This has pulley at the other end, so it becomes so easy and convenient to use. I'm using a grey shade for the first time, and I guess it pretty much worked for me. Coming back to the face, using this Trio palette from MyGlam Chisel IT Face Value Kit. This includes bronzer, blusher and highlighter. I'm totally in love with this palette already. It's just so value for money. Applying one final coat of mascara, and this one's from Maybelline. I absolutely love this mascaras, especially Maybelline mascaras, and I love layering these two, like combining Maybelline and L'Oreal, and I just love the post effect of it, so I'm just layering it one more coat of this mascara. Final step for this look, applying this matte lipstick from MyGlam. This is from their range Perfect Curves, and shade I'm using is Debutant. I love the formula of this lipstick, is just amazing. They are hydrating creamy matte lipsticks. You don't need a separate liner as this pencil does job for both. It's also pretty long lasting. That's all with this festive glam look. It's super simple to achieve and wearable. I hope you all enjoyed watching this tutorial and found it useful. If you did, then please do give it a like and share it with your loved ones who would like to recreate this look. And let me know in the comments below which all MyGlam products you would like to try. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I post my new video, you are notified. So that's it, guys. Thank you again for watching, and wish you all and your family a very happy and prosperous Diwali. Hope you all have a great Diwali. Bye, take care and stay gorgeous.